Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lavanya. Today we'll be discussing about the topic assessment of firms. Partnership firm is a separate person under Income Tax Act. A partnership firm can be a registered firm or an unregistered firm. Registration is not compulsory under this act. There is no definition of partnership in Income Tax Act, thus it gets the same meaning as defined under Indian Partnership Act 1932. Let's now see the definition of partnership. According to Section 4 of Indian Partnership Act 1932, a partnership is defined as a relationship between the persons who have agreed to share the profits of the business carried on by all or anyone acting for all. A partnership is a kind of business where a formal agreement between two or more people is made and agreed to be the co-owners, distribute responsibilities for running an organization, and share the income or losses that the business generates. This specific act explains that partnership is an association between two or more individuals or parties who have accepted to share the profits generated from the business under the supervision of all the members or on behalf of other members. Now let's see the meaning of important terms used in partnership. All partners forming a partnership business are collectively called as firm. The persons who have entered into partnership with one another are individually called as partners. The firm name under which the business of partnership is carried on is called as firm's name. Now let's move to next topic, features of partnership firm. There must be two or more persons to form a partnership. The maximum number of persons is 10 in case of banking business and 20 in case of other business. There must be an agreement between the person to form a partnership. The agreement between the persons can be either in oral or in written form. The liability of the partner is unlimited. The business can be carried on by all, or any of them can act for all. The business must be carried on for the purpose of making profits only. The profits or losses of the business must be shared by all the partners in agreed proportion. Now let's move to the next topic, limited liability partnership. Limited liability partnership is also known as limited liability company, is a partnership in which some or all partners have limited liability. It has elements of both partnership and company. In a limited liability partnership, one partner is not liable for another partner's misconduct or negligence. That means to say, a limited liability partnership, popularly known as LLP, combines the advantage of both the company and partnership firm into a single form of organization. Since the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 specifically governs LLPs in India, the provision of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 are not applicable to LLPs. They only apply to traditional partnership firms. Now let's see the features of LLP. An LLP is a body corporate and legal entity separate from its partners. It has a perpetual succession, that means to say continuation of existence despite the death, insanity, change in membership, or exit from business of any owner or member. It is regulated by LLP Act 2008 and contractual agreement between the partners. Every limited liability partnership shall use the word LLP as suffix to its name. It has the features of both corporate and partnership. Now let's see the difference between partnership firm and limited liability partnership. Partnership firm is governed by Indian Partnership Act 1932, whereas LLPs are governed by Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Registration is optional under partnership firm, whereas registration is compulsory under limited liability partnership. Partnership firm is created by contract, whereas limited liability partnership is created by law. Partnership firm is not a separate legal entity, but limited liability partnership is a separate legal entity. Partnership firm does not have perpetual succession, whereas limited liability partnership has perpetual succession. Common seal is not required under partnership firm, but common seal is necessary under limited liability partnership. The liability of partners is unlimited in case of partnership firm, whereas the liability of partners is limited under limited liability partnership. Under partnership firm, partners are agents of firm and each other. Under limited liability partnership, partners are agents of only LLPs. The minimum number of partners in case of both partnership firm and limited liability partnership is 2. Under partnership firm, the maximum number of members is 10 in case of banking business and 20 in case of other businesses. But there is no upper limit on the maximum number of partner under LLPs. That's it for this lecture. Please comment below if you have any questions. We'll meet very soon in the next video lecture. Till then, happy learning. Stay tuned.